Hello everyone, welcome to my YouTube channel. So today we are going to look at the quantitative aptitude. We're going to start with the first topic, which is simple, that is the LCM and the HCF. I'll first show you how they calculate them, and then we're actually going to do aptitude numbers, that actually where we have to apply the LCM and HCF concept. So let's start by understanding what this concept is. We start by LCM. LCM, that stands for lowest common factor, and HCF stands for highest common factor. The HCF is the most common number that divides each of the numbers 1 or 2 completely. I'll give you an example here. Find the LCM and HCF of 84 and 90. We're going to use, this is 84 and this is 90. So we have to find the LCM, and this is 90, sorry. So we are going to find the LCM and the HCF of this. So we start with 2. 2 divides all the numbers, so it will be part of the highest common factor. 2 into 84 we get 42, and 2 into 90 is 45. Are we together? But still 2 can divide this and but can't divide this, so it will not be part of the highest common factor. So we continue with 2 because you have to follow dividing by prime numbers. 2, 3, 5, 7. They are actually the numbers that are used to divide here. So by 2 here we have 21, and by 2 here it's still 45. So 2 will not be part of the highest common factor, but it can divide. Then let's continue to 3. By 3, 3 can divide this to 7, and 3 can also divide this to 15. So 3 will also be part of the highest common factor because it can divide both of them. Are we together? And let's continue. We continue to, then the next one is 5. By 5, 5 can't divide this, so it remains 7. But 5 can divide 15, so it remains 5. And then by 5, 7, 1, and then by 7, 1, 1. So the HCF will actually be these numbers that can divide both of them at once. That means we have 2 times 3, so the HCF is 6. While the LCM will be the multiplication of all these numbers. We have 2 times 2 times 3 times 5 times 5 times 7. Let's use our calculator here. We have 2 times 2 times 3 times 5 times 5 times 7, which will give us 2100. So this is the LCM and this is the HCF. You could try out another one. We have another number here, 72. This one you could first try it out, pause a little bit, try it out, and then we answer it together. So let's start with 2. 2 into 72, 2 divided by 2, we have 36. Then have here 1452 divided by 2 is 726. So 2 will be part of the highest common factor because it divides both of them. We continue with 2. 2 into 36, we have 18, and we have 726. 726 divided by 36. 726 divided by 2. The answer is 363. But we can continue with 2. 2 divided by 18 is 9, but this cannot be divided by 2. So this, by the fact that it can still divide, it will go, but by the fact that this cannot divide, it will actually remain. Are we together? Let's now continue to 3. By 3, 3 can divide 9 to become 3. But 3 can also divide this. become 1, 2, 1. Are we together? So this will also be added. Let's continue again to 3. By 3, 1. But 3 can't. Can 3 divide 1 to 1? No, 3 cannot divide 1 to 1. So we continue and use 11. By 11, 1. 11 by 11, 1, 1. So that means our highest common factor will be this 3, which we have 2 times 2 times 3, which will be 2 times 2 is 4. 4 times 3 is 12. And then our lowest common factor will be 2 times 2 times 2 times all this. Times 3 times 3 times 11 times 11, and we'll get the answer. Thank you. So next time we shall be looking at now the actual aptitude questions to the next video, and we actually try to apply what we have studied.